welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are we're continuing our series on American things that I miss, but this is kind of the Thanksgiving edition. So today we are making sweet potato casserole. I have made it for my girls a couple of times. They love it, which just kind of goes to show how good it really is. So those of you who haven't tried it and think it looks gross, it's actually really good. So let's get started.
Only basic ingredients. We need 2 whole sweet potatoes, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, a third of a cup or 80 grams of butter, half a teaspoon vanilla extract or a half a tablespoon vanilla sugar, 3/4 cup or 90 grams of chopped pecans, which are optional, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of salt, 2 cups or 120 grams of mini marshmallows, or you can cut up large marshmallows like I did. Begin by peeling the sweet potatoes and cutting them into small chunks. Place them in a pot and boil them in water for about 10 minutes or until a fork inserted into the potato pieces goes in easily. Remove from heat and drain water. Then, using a mixer, mix the sweet potatoes into a puree. Add all other ingredients except the marshmallows and mix together. If you don't like your potatoes very sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar to your preference. Pour the potato mixture into a greased baking dish. Spread evenly. Place the marshmallows on top until the entire dish is covered. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool before serving. These sweet potatoes are so good, they just give me the holiday vibes. This is more of a dessert than a side dish, however, so plan accordingly. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.